Hi again. I bought myself a new pocket knife. Cold Steel Ranch Bust 2. Cheap knife. I think it cost €40. Nice sheet with it. Leather sheet. Smells good. Very good quality. But to be honest, I don't give a shit about a sheet for a pocket knife. I always wear my pocket and that's it. So this one will go into the whatever. The specs on this knife is, see it here, carbon steel SK5 and slip joint knife. No, it's not a slip joint knife. It is, but it's a lock. A lock here. You press it towards you, and like this, and it snaps out of the lock. Click. Big knife. I was quite disappointed because it's not sharp out of the box. It's actually dull like hell. The other videos I saw on YouTube, they claim it was razor sharp, and it's not. So I have a sharpening device. I'm gonna show it this in a moment. Have this workshop field tool sharpening, 20 degrees and 16 degrees. Always use 20 degrees. The fine and the coarse diamond stone. And I gave it 10 strokes each side. It was not razor sharp, but it was user sharp in the forest. So that's good enough for me. So it's supposed to be a bone, but it's a plastic grip. It's whole Solanium, and it's a big knife. It's a good grip. It's a good knife. Yeah. So let's see how it chops more branches. Well, you can chop a little bit. Not a chopping knife, of course, but you can slice. Yep, you can. This is a hollow tree, so it's not a massive tree. It's what I can find right now in the forest. It's a good knife. You have a okay grip, not a perfect grip, but okay grip, in my opinion. So sharp enough. Normal tasking is at first. A little bit bushcraft stuff. I think it's okay, this knife. I bought it because I wanted a carbon steel knife you can easily sharpen up, and it was easy to sharpen up with the workshop sharpening device. So more easy than a stainless. That was the main reason I bought this one, because it's stainless carbon steel. Traditional blade, old school. Not my favorite, but I just bought it for fun to see how it is to have a carbon steel blade. So I would like the grip to be more thick, you have a better grip. It's a little rather thin, but it's okay. I have gloves on, of course. I don't cut myself. So yeah, try some more cutting. And does it cut paper, cardboard? No problem. Another kind of tree. more hard tree. It's not fresh, but everything laying on the ground is half rotten, but not completely rotten. But it's an okay knife. I recommend this knife. Everyday use. Not a big bushcraft knife, but everyday use. And a little bit bushcraft knife. Maybe a little bit hunting knife, but everyday carry knife is okay. So that's about a little humble review of this knife. Cold Steel Ranch Boss 2. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.